10 Health Benefits of Manuka Honey. Honey is made by bees from nectar. The same goes for Manuka honey, except is made specifically from the nectar of the flowers of the Manuka tree. The Manuka tree, which is a Maori name, is found growing naturally in the wild in southeastern Australia and New Zealand. As with other types of honey, Manuka honey is delicious. What's more is that it is also thought to have certain medicinal properties, with many people believing it provides us with various health benefits. Here's a look at just a few of the ways that Manuka honey can help to improve your health and overall well-being. 1. Fights infections. The pathogens that cause infections are everywhere. They are in the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, and on surfaces that we touch. Our immune system helps to keep us safe from infections, but that does not make us completely safe. Antibiotics can also help, but it is recommended not to use them too much. There are also some natural solutions that can help to keep us safe from infections, one of which is Manuka honey. Studies have shown that this honey is able to affect the genes of MRSA bacteria in a way that makes it less dangerous to us. 2. Treats acne. To a lot of people, acne is more than just the occasional pimple that turns up just before a night out. To a lot of people, acne can be quite disfiguring, potentially having a serious negative impact on their emotional well-being and mental health. There are medications that can help, but they are not always effective. For many people, though, Manuka honey is the answer to their prayers. Honey has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can fight against the bacteria that are responsible for acne. It is also thought to have healing properties that can help restore skin to its natural beauty. 3. Good oral health. It is important that we maintain good oral hygiene as well as we possibly can. We need a healthy mouth, not only for eating but also for appearances. There is even thought to be a link between oral hygiene and heart disease. Despite the importance of oral hygiene, some people find it harder to achieve than others. Dental problems such as periodontal disease are largely down to a high level of bacteria in the mouth. The antibacterial properties of Manuka honey, however, can help to reduce the levels of bacteria. It also contains calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, which can all help teeth to heal. 4. Protects against allergies. Allergies are quite common. They are not usually a danger to us, though. Most people with allergies will suffer from fairly mild symptoms that are not much more than an inconvenience. That is not to say that some allergies are not dangerous, though. Some are very dangerous indeed. Medications such as antihistamines are often used to help prevent or relieve allergy symptoms, but natural options are also available. Studies have shown that honey is able to protect against allergies, with results actually being quite impressive. Another advantage is that Manuka honey can also be used alongside medications, rather than as a replacement for them. 5. Heals wounds. We are bound to pick up wounds from time to time. When we do, our bodies set about patching up the injury and making long-term repairs. This is a process that is often done without help, although that depends on the severity of the wound. If you do think a wound needs some help in healing, some Manuka honey might be just what you need. Honey as an aid for healing wounds is far from a new idea, it is something that has been done for thousands of years. In the modern world, tests indicate that honey can indeed help to accelerate the healing process. Its antimicrobial properties can also help prevent infection. 6. Improves sleep. Many people find that they end up tossing and turning without getting a wink of sleep. Not only can it be very frustrating for them, but they will also have to get through the following day without having slept enough. It can be very difficult, but Manuka honey may be able to help. Studies have shown that honey may be able to help us not only fall asleep but also to sleep better. In addition to being able to help directly, it can also be beneficial by helping with certain conditions that can cause sleeplessness. What's more is that it is also very easy to use, and some honey in milk can help to release melatonin, which is our sleep hormone. 7. Helps sore throats. Sore throats can be quite difficult to put up with. They are often quite painful, especially when swallowing, and this can mean that we find it difficult to eat. There are various medications that can help, while Manuka honey may be just what you need. Manuka honey has antibacterial properties that will help deal with the underlying cause of a sore throat in many cases. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the severity of the symptoms. The honey can also help to line the tissues of the throat, and this can provide a much welcome soothing effect. 8. Soothes IBS. IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome, is a condition that causes the patient to become very sensitive to a wide range of foods. Whereas people without the condition might have difficulties with a select few foods, people with IBS suffer from a far greater selection. Symptoms include pain and diarrhea, among others. Manuka honey may be able to help patients with IBS. Studies have been carried out that shows that the honey can help to reduce inflammation in the digestive system and can also help with healing. This can help to relieve symptoms of IBS, and it may even be able to help them enjoy a wider variety of foods. 9. Cures stomach ulcers. Ulcers are a kind of open sore. They will often heal naturally in time, but they do raise the chances of an infection. They can be found in numerous parts of the body, including the stomach, and stomach ulcers can be particularly difficult to treat. They can take a long time to heal and can cause numerous unwelcome symptoms in the meantime. One of the main causes of stomach ulcers is an infection from a bacterium known as H. pylori. This is actually quite a common bacterium, but it can cause problems when it grows out of control. The antibacterial properties of Manuka honey help to keep H. pylori under control. It can also help with healing the wound. 10. Helps with heartburn. The lining of our esophagus is not protected from our stomach juices as the stomach lining is. This means that it can be affected by the corrosive effects of our digestive juices, and this can cause an often painful burning sensation. This is a condition that we often call heartburn, while the technical medical term is acid reflux. Heartburn is often caused by an overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine. As such, Manuka honey's antibacterial properties can help fight these bacteria, hence reducing the symptoms. While heartburn is usually treated with remedies to soothe the symptoms, surgery may be necessary in extreme cases.